Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I'm Michelle, and today we're going to make a gemstone lariat. I'm trying to get my camera right so I can get my materials in. There we go. And you're not going to need, this is a simple lariat, perfect for summertime, perfect for that little tank dress or tank top and jeans, or even a white t-shirt. It would look beautiful with. So let's go over the materials list. I've got 60.5 inches of natural leather here. It's the round leather, and it's it's 2 millimeter. And then I've got a small gemstone pie or donut. I think it's like a 30 millimeter, something like that. I got this so long ago, and I don't have a tool to measure millimeters. But that's, see these pretty swirls in it, so pretty. And I got about 10 head pins in antique bronze. I've got 2 thick gauge 10 millimeter jump rings. I've got a couple of 6 millimeter jump rings in antique bronze. And then I've got, all of these gemstones are from past bargain bead boxes. And so I know this is picture jasper here. I do not know what these are or these. I had never seen them before, and I didn't keep my lists. So they're just gemstones that I think will match this pendant. Okay, so you're going to need some round nose pliers. You're going to need some chain nose pliers and some wire cutters, of course, to wrap some loops to do this necklace. So get all your materials together, come back, and we'll get started. Alright, so we're going to take our leather and we're going to fold it in half. So bring the ends together. Here, and just measure up. Okay, and then we're going to take our gemstone and we are going to do a lark's head knot. So put that folded end through that gemstone, pull out enough to where you can grab the other legs and pull it down tight. So that would be the back side, I would say, and that will be the front. Alright, now we will put both the legs through, up through. See, that's the front, okay? And we're going to take the legs and we will put them up through. So that part will go around the neck. Okay. So that will come around the neck and come out. Once your leather relaxes, mine was like rolled up, it'll be better. But when you, however big your, it does, say this is adjustable, you can wear, pretty much any size neck. But we're going to decorate the legs that hang down, and it'll also keep the legs from sliding back through this gemstone. So we got to make some dangles here with our head pins and our gemstones. So I'm just gonna slide on a gemstone, and we're going to be connecting these to these jump rings. So, you know, however long you want it. Let's see if we can maybe put these together. I'll be right back. I need to get some metal to decorate this with. Alright, I got out a few bead caps and some more bead caps and some metal beads here. I got these little bumpy beads we got from the bargain bead box, and some regular. It's a little mixed metal because this is antique copper, I believe. Some of the bead caps are antique copper, but that'll be okay. Now let's see, let's try one of these bead caps. I don't want it to look too fancy because I want it to stay pretty rustic, but let's see, that looks pretty. And then let's see, let's add, because we need different lengths. So we will take our chain nose pliers and bend it over, and we are going to make wrapped loops so they're nice and secure. I've got my loop making pliers here, which I love, and we're just going to wrap our loop here. We made our loop. Now we're going to hold, and we're going to start at the top, and we're just going to, maybe I'll use pliers so I can get it tight, and we're going to wrap it around that wire a couple times. There we go, and then we'll cut it. Get as close as I can. I didn't get that very close. I need to get a pair of Xeron wire snips. Mine are getting dull. Alright, so there we've made our first dangle that will be hanging from that jump ring. Now we just continue to make our dangles. I don't know if these will be too big for those, but we'll see. Okay, I don't want to put a metal, maybe I will. Let's try one of these. Yeah, it's pretty. And we will fold it over. There we go. Let's see. It's hard to hold them straight or still while you tuck this little piece in. There we go. Alright, and that will be one of our little dangles. Alright, so continue making however many dangles you want to dangle off your ends. Come back and we will assemble them. Okay, so I got one side done. Let's pick up our jump ring. I like the heavier gauge jump rings for this. They're much more sturdy. Alright, and then I'm going to put on my, oh, let me put these down. I'm going to put on my dangles on my jump ring. There we go. I didn't open it very far, or very wide. I think that's a problem. Okay, so I've got them all on there. Now I got to close the jump ring. And the heavier gauges are harder to work with, but that's why I love them, because they're so stiff and tough, they won't open. So let me make sure I get this shut perfectly. Oh, shoot. Alright, click. Now all we do is tie it on. I mean, very simple. Little overhand knot. See, I slid a leather through my jump ring. Now I'm going to bring it down. And before you pull it too tight, get out your E6000 or GS Hypo cement and glue. Put some glue inside the knot. Come on, come out. It takes a minute to start coming out, and then you don't want to stop in these tubes of Hypo cement, GS Hypo cement. So we'll put some inside the leather. That way we don't have to worry about the knot coming out and losing our dangles. So then we pull it down. Tight. And lay it on our baggie. And let it dry. Okay, and here we go. Here's our lariat necklace. The leather's back here, of course, but yeah, it's adjustable, and all you have to do is pull it down to make it longer. I found these and put those on a little later, these little star beads. So there's our ends, and here's our Minimalist Gemstone Lariat. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video.